Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over some good deals, some glitches, and some 5 off $25 scenarios that y'all can do this Saturday, September the 17th at Family Dollar. So, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It is right down below this video. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 free, easy, and quick ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then if you have an extra second, go ahead and click the share button and share the video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in, and first up we have a couple of food deals. So we do have a 50-cent off 2 digital coupon for the Bugles or the Chex Mix. These are priced at $1 each, so pick up 2 bags. Use that coupon, you're going to pay $1.50 for 2. And then don't forget to scan your receipt into the Fetch Rewards rebate app, because on Fetch Rewards we have this little 1,000 point bonus when you spend $10 on General Mills products. Alright, next up we have the General Mills cereals. These are priced at $3.65 each. Pick up 2. We have a 1 off 2 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $6.30 for 2. And then don't forget to scan your receipt into the Fetch Rewards rebate app so that y'all can start tracking toward that bonus on General Mills products. And then we also have a similar rebate on the coupons.com app. For when you spend $25 on General Mills cereals, you're going to get $5 back. So don't forget to scan your receipt into the coupons.com app as well. Alright, so up next we have our paper products. We have the Scott 12 count bath tissue. These are priced at $5, and we do have a 1 off 1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $4. Now this 1 off 1 digital coupon also works on the 6 count of Scott Comfort Plus bath tissue. These are priced at $3.15. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.15. Now, we also have a 50-cent off 1 digital coupon for the Scott paper towels, and the 6 count paper towels, those are on sale this week for $5. So after the coupon, that's going to leave you paying just $4.50. And again, don't forget to scan your receipt into the Fetch Rewards rebate app, because right now on Fetch Rewards, we have rebates for the paper towels as well as the bath tissue. Alright, up next we have the Cottonelle 4 count Mega Roll bath tissues. These are priced at $5.25. We have a 1 off 1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $4.25. And this still gets even sweeter, because right now on Fetch Rewards, we have a 500 point bonus for the Cottonelle bath tissue. So submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, get back 50 cents, and that's going to make your final price $3.75. Alright, now next up we have the Angel Soft 8 count Mega Rolls. These are priced at $5.95, and we have a 1 off 1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $4.95. But this still gets even better as well, because right now on Ibotta we have a $1 rebate back on the Angel Soft bath tissue. So submit your receipt to Ibotta, get $1 back, and that's going to make your final price $3.95. And then last but not least, for our paper product deals, we have the 2 count Sparkle paper towels. Those are on sale this week for $3.75, and we have a 50-cent off 1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $3.25. Alright, now up next we have our laundry care deals. So we have a 2 off 1 digital coupon for the 42 count Gain Flings or the Tide Pods. These are both on sale this week for $12.95. After the coupon, that's going to leave you paying $10.95. Alright, next up we have a $3.50 off 1 digital coupon for the Tide laundry products, and this coupon is working on the Tide Simply 138 fluid ounce bottles. Those are priced at $10.50, so after the coupon, that's going to leave you paying just $7. Now, this digital coupon is also working on the Tide Simply Oxy 115 fluid ounces. Those are also priced at $10.50, but after the coupon, that's going to leave you paying just $7. Alright, next up, we have the Arm & Hammer laundry products. These are on sale this week for $5.50, and we have a 2 off 1 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying just $3.50. Alright, moving right along, we still have this $3.99 off 2 digital coupon for the Dawn Power Wash. So if y'all want to pick up the spray bottles, those are priced at $4.95 each. Pick up 2, use the coupon, that's going to leave you paying $5.91 for 2. Now, you could also use this digital coupon on the refills, so those are priced at just $4 each. Pick up 2, use the coupon, that's going to leave you paying $4.01 for 2. And next up, we have the $2.30 off 1 digital coupon for the Febreze warmers. Those are priced at $3.25, so after the coupon, you're going to pay just 95 cents. Alright, next up, here's a really good deal. We have the Airwick Scented Oil Warmers. These are priced at $3.50 each. What you want to do is pick up 2 at $7. Then you're going to want to submit your receipt to the coupons.com app, because right now on the coupons.com app, we have a 3 off 2 manufacturer coupon on the Airwick products. But you're not done just yet, because right now on Fetch Rewards, we also have a 3,000 point bonus when you purchase 2 of the Airwick products. So submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, get back another $3, and that's going to make your final price just $1 for 2. Alright, now just so the video doesn't get too awfully long for you all, I'm going to go ahead and let the next few deals and coupon matchups scroll across your screen here. All of these are cleaning supplies products. So we do have Pine Sol, we have disinfecting wipes, we have Mr. Clean, and Lysol products. All right, so now we're about to get into our personal care deals, but first, I just wanted to give everybody a quick second to go ahead and leave your smiles down in the comment section below if you haven't already. You guys already know that absolutely makes my day. It puts a huge smile on my face, and hopefully it puts a smile on your face as well. So let's all spread some happiness, some positivity, and some good vibes today. Leave your smiles down in the comment section below. All right, now let's go ahead and jump back into these personal care deals and coupon matchups. Now, we do have quite a bit in this category, so just for the sake of the video not being too awfully long, I'm going to let a few of these deals scroll across your screen here. But as you all can see, we do have some high-value coupons at Family Dollar on personal care products. Now, I do want to mention that a few of these coupons are older coupons, so we did receive them a few weeks back, so hopefully you all still have those clipped to your accounts and ready to go for this Saturday. Now, while we're talking about coupons from a few weeks back, I do want to go ahead and take a second to point out that the biggest difference that I have noticed between Family Dollar couponing and Dollar General couponing is that a lot of the Family Dollar coupons don't expire for like an entire month or even longer sometimes. So that is where having a few accounts that you can use really comes in handy, because when we get those really good filler items, such as the Dove Bar Soap or the Degree or Suave deodorants, having those accounts available to you will really come in handy, because those filler items are going to help you get a really low out-of-pocket deal when it comes to doing your 5 off $25 scenarios. Now, speaking of 5 off $25 scenarios, we are about to go over 3 awesome 5 off $25 scenarios that y'all can do this Saturday, September the 17th at Family Dollar. But first, I just wanted to make sure that everybody's already left their smiles down in the comment section below for me. Because if I haven't told you all already, that is one super simple, easy, quick, and might I add, completely free way that y'all can help support this channel. So don't forget to leave me your smiles down in the comment section below. All right, now jumping right into our first scenario for this Saturday, you want to pick up one of the Tide Simply liquid laundry detergents that are priced at $10.50. One of the Scott 6-count bath tissue at $3.15. One of the Scott 6-count paper towels at $5. One of the Febreze warmers at $3.25. One of the Dove bar soaps for $1. And 2 of the Suave deodorants priced at $1.25 each. And that is going to put your subtotal at $25.40. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need that 5 off 25, the $3.50 off 1 Tide product, the 1 off 1 Scott bath tissue, the 50-cent off 1 Scott paper towels, the $2.30 off 1 Febreze warmer, the $1.50 off 1 Dove products, and that will only take off $1. Then you're going to need the 2 off 2 Suave products. That's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $9.60 for all 7 items, making each one just $1.37 each. Now, even though this isn't a super low out-of-pocket deal, I still think this is a deal worth doing, because you are getting that big jug of Tide Simply laundry detergent that started out at $10.50. So it's basically like picking up the Tide Simply and getting everything else for free. And then again, once you're done shopping, don't forget to scan your receipt into the Fetch Rewards rebate app so that y'all can earn points on those Scott paper products that I included in this scenario. All right, now for this next scenario, you want to pick up one of the Arm & Hammer laundry products that are priced at $5.50, one of the Angel Soft Mega Roll bath tissues priced at $5.95, one of the Homeline 35-count disinfecting wipes at $2.25, one of the Febreze warmers at $3.25, one of the Dove 1-count bar soaps at $1, 2 of the Suave deodorants priced at $1.25 each, one of the Degree women's or men's deodorants priced at $2.35, and one of the Visine 0.28 ounces at $2.75. That's going to put your subtotal at $25.55. And here is your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need that 5 off 25, the 2 off 1 Arm & Hammer, the 1 off 1 Angel Soft, the 50-cent off 1 Homeline wipes, the $2.30 off 1 Febreze, the $1.50 off 1 Dove, the 2 off 2 Suave products, the 1 off 1 Degree deodorant, and the $1.50 off 1 Visine product. Your subtotal after coupons will be $9.25 for all 9 items. But this deal does get even better, because right now on Ibotta, we have that $1 rebate back on the Angel Soft bath tissue. So submit your receipt to Ibotta, get $1 back, and that's going to make your final price $8.25 for all 9 items, making each one just 91 cents each. All right, and for our last scenario, you want to pick up one of the Arm & Hammer laundry products priced at $5.50 each, two of the Dawn Power Wash refills at $4 each, two of the Airwick Scented Oil Starter Kits at $3.50 each, one of the Febreze warmers at $3.25, two of the Suave deodorants at $1.25 each, and one of the Dove 1-count bar soaps at $1. That's going to put your subtotal at $27.75. Alright, and here is your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need that 5 off 25, the 2 off 1 Arm & Hammer, the $3.99 off 2 Dawn Power Wash, the $2.30 off 1 Febreze warmer, the 2 off 2 Suave, and the $1.50 off 1 Dove. That's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $10.96 for all 9 items. But then you're going to submit your receipt to the coupons.com app, and you're going to get $3 back for purchasing 2 of the Airwick Starter Kits. And then you're also going to submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards and get $3 back for purchasing 2 of the Airwick Starter Kits. And that's going to make your final price just $4.96 for all 9 items, making each one just 55 cents each. Alright guys, now if you're looking for some more deals, make sure that you go back and check out my Walgreens video that I posted on Wednesday, because we have a ton of awesome deals and freebies going on this week at Walgreens. And I'm going to have that video linked in the pinned comment down below. Now, just to give y'all a little heads up, I'm going to try to get on a schedule where we do Walgreens Wednesdays, Family Dollar Thursday, and then on Friday have the Dollar General 5 off $25 videos as always. Unfortunately, this week I did run into some technical issues with my internet service provider again. I think I'm just going to have to switch back to the one that I had before these guys, because unfortunately my internet keeps going out and it's like for the entire day. So it really does mess me up and it throws a wrench into the videos. So today, on Friday, you guys are going to get 2 videos in one day. I'm going to be uploading this Family Dollar video, and then in just a few short hours after that, I'm going to upload and make the Dollar General video available to you all. So make sure that you have your notifications turned on, and if you do not get a notification for the DG video, make sure that you come back later and check out my channel, because sometimes YouTube is a little bit weird when you upload more than one video in one day. They don't like to put that second video out into the algorithm as much, so I'm really going to need your all's help this week. Leave me some smiles down in the comment section below, and then I'm also going to be doing a little giveaway on the Dollar General video, so y'all make sure that you come back and check out that one as well. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I wish each and every one of you good luck with your couponing deals this weekend. Now, before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so, because we are so close to getting to 30,000 crazy couponers. So go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video. While you're at it, do me a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button for me and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Y'all know I love seeing those smiles, and let's just spread some positivity today. Plus, as an added bonus, it is a free and easy way that y'all can help support this channel. And then if you have an extra second, go ahead and share the video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful, fantastic day, and I will see you on the next one.